Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. Okay. See, children, as we are doing chapter number 3 MS Word in our class, in our Zoom class. So today I will tell you how to do the practical of this chapter. Fine. So first of all, I will tell you how to open MS Word. See, as I told you, this is a start button. See, this is your start button. It is also in a circle. It is also a circular button. I'll click on the start button. Now, we'll click on all programs. Here I'll select as Microsoft Office. When I'll click on the Microsoft Office, all its option will be appear on the screen. Microsoft Word. This is how your screen, MS Word screen look like. See, children, in my Zoom class, I'll explain you. This is Microsoft Office button having a logo, circular button which is also having a logo. Fine. This option is used to save. See, document 1. I hope everybody remember that in my class I have told you this is a default name, means a name which is given by the system. Document 1 and Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word means we are using Microsoft Word right now. Document 1 means default name of this document. Okay. This is your tabs, home tab, which is having these options. Insert, if I want to insert anything, see, cover page, blank page, page break, table. Insert means to add anything in your system, in your document. Page layout means how the page will appear. Margins are here, orientation is there, size we can change. See, referencing, mailing, review and view. All these options are available here. When I click on the home, just see these basic options will be appear. As I told you, Microsoft Word is used for editing. Basically, Microsoft Word is used for typing, editing and formatting. I hope everybody remember this. These three words basically I want to explain. Microsoft Word is used to type any kind of document. Any kind of document we can type in it. And edit means we can make changes in the document. And format. Format means we can decorate the document. Just see. Now I am typing here. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. See, and for performing any kind of action, we have to select the text. See, I have typed by using the keys of the keyboard. Now I have select. Now I will tell you how can we select. We can select. When we want to select, we have to take our mouse pointer to that area. See, once again I will do, we have to take the mouse pointer to that particular area. See, it is selected. Now by pressing here, bold, it is become as bold, italic and underline. See, now I can change the size of my font. See, these are the basic things that we do in our MS Word. Now, I'll tell you how to do copy, paste any kind of document. See, for performing once again I'll tell, for performing any kind of option, we have to select the text. See, I have selected. Now, we can select it by using copy command from here. Okay. And once it is copied, I can paste anywhere. We have to select the area where we want to paste. Just see. It is already done. And I want to tell you we can perform the same action by using the shortcut keys. I hope all my children remember about shortcut keys, means the keys which we press from the keyboard. See, to select any kind of text, we will do select Control plus A. See, it is selected. Now I'll press Control plus C. It is already copied. Now I want to paste it here. What will I do? Control plus V key from my keyboard. Just see. It is copied and pasted also. These are the basic functions that we perform in our MS Word. Fine, children. I hope today everybody will practice